The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1290 filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, reclip the housing door. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.